Hello everyone. In continuation of exercise 1.1 from 8th class mathematics chapter 1 rational numbers, the 11th question is subtraction associative in rational numbers? We have to find out. Explain with an example. So now associative means a minus b minus c equals to a minus b minus c. Now let us consider this example. We are taking 3 by 4 minus 5 by 2 minus 7 by 4 equal to 3 by 4 minus 5 by 2 minus 7 by 4. Now for this 4 and 2 LCM of 2 and 4 and 2 is 4. So 4 ones are 4, 3 ones are 3 minus 2 twos are 4 here. So 5 twos are 10. So 3 minus 10 by 4 minus 7 by 4 equal to 3 by 4 minus, here also LCM is 4. So 2 twos are 4 and 4 ones are 4. So 5 twos are 10 minus 7 by 4. Here we get 3 minus 10. So we will get minus 7 by 4 minus 7 by 4 equal to 3 by 4 minus 10 minus 7 is 3 by 4. So here minus 7 by 4. 4 is the LCM. Here also 4 is LCM. 3 minus 3 by 4. So here we get minus 14 by 4, which is 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14. We get minus 7 by 2. Here 3 minus 3 is 0. 0 by 4. So minus 7 by 2 is not equal to 0. So it is not associative, as 3 by 4 minus 5 by 2 minus 7 by 4 is not equal to 3 by 4 minus 5 by 2 minus 7 by 4. This is the example which we have taken. So we are proving that subtraction is not associative with with respect to rational numbers. So the question was, is subtraction associative in rational numbers? So we have proved that subtraction is not associative in rational numbers. Next, 12th question is, verify that minus of minus x equals to x for x equals to 2 by 50. So minus of minus x equals to x we have to prove. So minus of x value is minus 2 by 15. So x value is 2 by 15. This is minus, already we kept here. Say minus of minus is plus 2 by 15, that is equals to x value is 2 by 15. Next question is x equals to minus 13 by 17. Minus of minus x we have to write. So here x value is minus 13 by 17. Minus of minus x value is minus 13 by 17. So we have written the x value here. This is minus, because x value is also minus 13 by 17, we have written in brackets. Now if you take, so we have written this in brackets. Minus of minus is plus 13 by 17, and this minus is outside, so we will get minus 13 by 17, which is equal to x. Next, the 13th question is, write, first one, the set of numbers which do not have any additive identity. We know that additive identity is 0, because 3 plus 0 is 3 and 0 plus 3 is also 3. So the set of natural numbers do not have additive identity, as 0 is not contained in natural numbers. So natural numbers and 0 is the additive identity. Next question is, the rational numbers that does not have any reciprocal. So 0 is the rational number that does not have any reciprocal. Next one is, third one, the reciprocal of a negative rational number. The reciprocal of a negative rational number is always negative. Okay. This we finish the first exercise 1.1 of 8th class mathematics chapter 1 rational numbers.